I'm waiting for us. Once our grandpa wanted to have a big fishing in the sea. The fishing was so long and boring that Grandpa fell asleep. But suddenly, a severe storm started. The visibility became bad and the seashore disappeared. Grandpa should go through hundreds of underwater cliffs to get home safely. But how can he do that if he can't see anything? Only the bright light from the lighthouse's projector can help him. But who could turn it on when Grandpa is in the sea? What a severe storm, and Grandpa is still not home, and Grandma is out for shopping. I am afraid that something wrong could happen.
Hello? Does somebody hear me?
Yes, Grandpa, we can hear you.
Thank God, kids. There's such a severe storm that I can't see anything. Call Grandma and ask her to turn the projector on, and I could get home safe.
But she's out shopping and will be back home only in a few hours.
Oh, I'm afraid a few hours are too much for me.
Don't worry, Grandpa. We will go to the top and turn the projector on.
Great, kids. I could help you with a radio set, but hurry up. The storm is getting stronger.
Let's go, G. There is the shed. Let's open its door. I can't open the door. The bar is too heavy. We need to use something to move the bar. Use tools. G doesn't have enough weight for it. Let's help him. Hooray! We have done it!
I'm so afraid.
How dark it is. Turn on the light.
Hurrah!
Right you are. Grandpa, help us, please.
The entrance key to the lighthouse is very important, and that's why it is kept in a secret place. You need to ring a bell to open it. The wind is getting stronger. Hurry up!
First of all, we need to ring a bell. What should we do? The bell is too high. It is still too high. What should we do? Gee, you are the lightest. Climb up and ring the bell. Well done, G. The secret place is open now, but the key is too high to get it. What can we do?
Hurrah!
Well done! We have done it! Hurry up to the lighthouse! Let's go! To the very top! Grandpa, could you help us and say where the key is?
Normally the key is hung on a hook.
The key is not in its place. Where could it be? It could have fallen down, or maybe it is hung up in another hook. Let's find it. Tap all the items. There isn't any key.
No!
There isn't any key. Hooray! We have found it!
Hurrah!
We are in the galley. It is the name for the kitchen on the ship.
The key is placed on some shelf in the closet. Oh!
Grandpa forgot to close the window. That's why there is a lot of water on the floor. Tap the window. Wipe the floor. We need to find a mop. Let's look for a mop in the storage room. top. Tap the items to remove them. Great! Everything is dry now. We have done it!
Hurrah!
Hooray! We have done it! Let's move forward. We are in the cabin now.
The key is on the upper shelf.
To get to the shelf, you need to go up with a rope ladder. Tap the ladder. The ladder is too high. The ladder is rolled up on a big spool. Let's loosen it up a bit. Tap the spool. Great!
Bats! Bats!
It's no use to be afraid, G. We will make them go away. Tap the bats to make them go away. We frightened bats, but they don't want to fly away from the room. And what should we do now? Phew, phew. Tap the bats to make them go away. Turn on the TV. Hooray! We have won! Gee, you can get the key now. Turn on the TV. Grandpa, help us, please.
The library has a secret.
I can't hear anything. Our grandpa has gathered the library full of books. You can find anything in here. Let's look around. These books aren't in their places. Let's put them on the shelf. Move the books to the shelf. Right you are. This is a spyglass. Our grandpa studies constellations. That's why there are so many books dedicated to astrology. Let's put the spyglass in its place. Tap the spyglass.
Look, a book!
Oh, it looks like a secret lever. Tap the book.
Hurrah!
Hooray! We have opened the entrance to go up. Hurry up! We are on the very top. How can we turn on the projector?
Hello? Can you hear me? Kids, you need to pull a big switch off the Lighthouse management board. Reefs!
Oh gosh, we need to hurry up. Tap the switch to turn the light on. Oh, what should we do? There is a damage here. One very important detail is burnt. Find an auxiliary detail and replace it. Let's see what is under the newspaper. Tap the detail. Tap the switch to turn the light on. Lighthouse works! Let's find where is our grandpa's ship. Find huge binoculars and give them to me. Move the binoculars to Hippie. There he is, our grandpa! Let's show him the way. Tap the ship to direct the light. Hooray! Grandpa is saved!
I am so happy to be home.
We tried a lot together with G.
Well done. I couldn't have done anything without you. You are my real hero rescuers.